Dear friends, May 20th is considered to be World International Clinical Trials Day every year, showing the importance of clinical trials. It is in recognition of the day in 1747 when a Scottish physician of the British Royal Navy by name James Lind started what is considered to be the first clinical trial. It was against the disease scurvy, which was a scourge in sailors who traveled in ships for months. He tried many treatments, and in a randomized clinical trial involving 12 people, 2 people received citrus fruits and the remaining did not. And he found the cure for scurvy, which is actually vitamin C deficiency. Clinical research involves finding a safe and efficacious method of treatment. It may be a drug, or it may be a device, or it may be anything else. Today, the drug, device, a tool, diagnostic test, technique, and technology we use in medicine are all tested human volunteers who undergo clinical trials. By this way, the clinical medicine has improved over the years. Invariably, the advances that are made in medicine are by small steps. Very rarely we have quantum jump. And clinical trials are the basis of these small advancements that are made all over the world. The importance of clinical trial cannot be overemphasized. India is a country where clinical trials are conducted in many institutions, and the reasons are plenty. The important reason is that we have efficient personnel, health personnel, and other research workers in plenty manning the many institutions in this part of the world. Secondly, we have a very large, diverse human population. And thirdly, the cost of clinical research in India is comparatively small when compared to the Western world. So many international studies come to India to do these clinical trials. As far as our hospital is concerned, from 2010, we have been doing multinational clinical trials. So far, we have done 20 such international trials. And during the COVID period, there was a lull. Now, in 2024, we have reinitiated our clinical research department, and it is ably headed by Mr. Natarajan Saravanan, who will be the chief of this clinical research department. And at the moment, we have 2 clinical studies initiated next month, and there are 5 more clinical studies of multinational nature is in pipeline. So we have a very great potential for doing clinical research in our setup. At the moment, we are doing mainly oncological clinical work, but I request my colleagues and friends to involve other disciplines as well. So as we have plenty of clinical material, we should be able to do multinational trials without much problem. I thank all the colleagues and participants to give us support and coordination so that our clinical research will benefit the society at large. Thank you.
Care, cure, and compassion.